Yeah, I know. Like, there's so many, like, there's not only so many different payment platforms, there's so many Pornhub, OnlyFans, My Free Cams, Chatterbait, and, like, you did a bunch, and now you're seeing what actually works. Like you said, like, Pornhub
Yeah.
works, Reddit.
Yeah, Reddit, like, so for me, like I said before, I have my Pornhub, my OnlyFans, and then my Instagram. My Instagram is, like, yeah, I go on it, right? But
Yeah,
to be honest,
how many times you've been suspended?
me never yet, thank God.
Really?
But, like, from what not to do, like, so here's a tip for everyone. You're gonna get, like, banned and your account's gonna get taken down on Instagram if you promote anything OnlyFans. So I see a lot of girls out there, they have in their, like, website thing on their bio on Instagram, it's a link straight to their OnlyFans, or they'll talk about their OnlyFans in their posts, or, like, tag OnlyFans. Like, that's how you get banned, right? So you have to make a link tree, Insta bio, download that app, and then just make all your links into that, and then just post your link that's to all of that in your bio, and then they can't ban you, right? But
Yeah, like with Reddit though, because like you were saying with the like subreddits and shit, because then like you could get specific, because basically you're like hunting the guys that are like into you, right? I mean, so like you could be real specific with the subreddits, right?
oh yeah,
Is that like how it's working? Like like whatever subreddit you're going to, like that's what they're looking for.
yeah, pretty much. Like, subreddits, like, they're, like, I'm still learning on Reddit. Sorry. It's, like, definitely confusing, that's for sure. But there is, like, you just find your niche, right? Anything about you is a niche. So, like, if you have, like, for example, me, I have blonde hair. There's a subreddit for girls who have blonde hair. So you can post in that one. Or blue eyes. Blue eyes I got. Find a subreddit for blue eyes, post in there. And then they have, like, their OnlyFans subreddits. There's one for Pornhub, and then big booties, or anything. There's really a subreddit for anything you could just post in. Yeah, but with Reddit, you have to make sure, like, that's why I was saying that you gotta, like, if I was to do it again, I would have made my Reddit first, because there's, like, a certain amount of days you have to have your account for before some groups will let you post in, and, like, some of those groups are, like, the main groups, right? So, and then it's all about karma. All about karma. So the more karma you have, which is, like, the more upvotes people give you, or comment upvotes and stuff like that, the more your posts get noticed, I think. It's
Right.
confusing.
Yeah, that's all I know too. So have you noticed, I don't know if you're able to notice yet or what, like have you noticed like certain certain types of pictures are getting like upvoted?
Oh yeah, definitely. Like the ones where you're, like, not really wearing clothes definitely get upvoted.
Oh, so
Totally get.
oh really? Yeah, so it's just like they see everything. They're like, yeah, I like that.
Pretty much, yeah. Like, there's girls on there on their Reddit. They'll post, like, them totally naked, like, pussies and all. And for me, like, sure, that's the way you guys can go, right? But me personally, I want to direct those people to my OnlyFans, right? So I'm not gonna show them everything, right? Because that's where you find everything is on my OnlyFans. So
Yeah, that's true.